We are in my kitchen, which I just recently moved into. I really like it. It's such a cozy space, and because I do make some shrinky dinks, this is where I work anyway because you need the oven. So I was trying to remember how I started doing them. I know that when I was little, I used to make them with my sisters. I don't have any memory of that, and I'm sure they were not very similar to what I'm making now. But yeah, because my sisters, were teenagers in the 80s, they passed that along with me. We always used to do crafting stuff, and with my mom too. And then when I was an adult, I think that I probably discovered it just scrolling through Etsy. That's what I think I remember just being like, what is this? Like, how are people making these things? So yeah, and then I always loved to try new crafts, so it was really a fun thing to try out. This little guy I just made last night, and I want it to be like a lawn flamingo for my house plants. So I was thinking maybe I could make a matching pair. That's like the thing, it's like you're really like, you can do anything you want with shrinky dinks. It's just, using your imagination and coming up with an idea. I was doing a lot of little bird feeder earrings. I was very inspired by the waterfowl in Sackville. So yeah, I've got like a pair of chickadees and a pair of cardinals that are gonna have earrings as soon as I sort of varnish them and put some earring backs on them. Making jewelry out of it is really great because you can work larger and then it'll shrink it down to the size you need. You can just do so much with shrinky dinks. Like, it's really just like you're limited by your imagination. Like, you can make jewelry or just like little crafts. It's always interesting to see what people are